Your Mercedes-Benz lets you customize your radio preferences so you can easily play your favorite stations. To access the radio, push the menu button on your center console. Then choose Radio and the source. From there, you can choose from HD, AM, or FM radio, Sirius XM radio, or TuneIn radio. You can always select the station and any source using the search function. Now, let's look at a commonly used feature, saving a radio station as a preset. Stations from all the sources are saved in the same preset list, making it easy to find your favorite music. To save a station, tune to it, and long press the center controller for 2 seconds until you hear the tone. It'll be saved at the end of the preset list. The star button labeled Presets is where you can manage the preset list. To the left of the stations, you'll see an options menu that lets you move or delete presets. When you're listening to a preset station, the radio is in preset view and only presets can be selected from that menu. To go back to the full list of stations, use the search function to select a station or choose another source. You can scroll through stations by turning the controller like a radio dial, or just short press the controller and select your station from the list. Keep in mind, you can always change the station without leaving your current application by pressing the forward arrow button on the touchpad. Simply swipe up or down, and you can always change a station using voice control. Station hits 1. Whether you love talk radio or listening to the latest hits, the radio in your Mercedes-Benz helps make sure you don't miss a beat.